Ooh, this is super nice.
You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun. Don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it. But you haven't seen anything yet. Now you're just beginning your trip to regrets. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane, and you know it.
Hey guys, we're here at the Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. It is about a mile from the Strip. It is our first time staying here. We normally stay at the Cosmopolitan, so we're super excited to have this experience here at the Virgin Hotel. Let's first do the room tour. A very nice room here at the Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. We're actually very excited because we got upgraded to the Opal Tower, which overlooks the Las Vegas Strip.
¿Cómo estás, mami? Te quería preguntar. ¿Cómo remix si estás pa' mí? ¿O estás para los demás? Mi amor, no pares, que te siempre quiero más. La luna te la bajaré con estrellas en el mar. Tú eres la chica.
We just got back from dinner at Casa Calavera, a Mexican restaurant here at the Virgin Hotel. Super delicious, highly recommended. For now, we're just gonna chill in the hotel room, and then later we're gonna head to the Las Vegas Strip. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Hace mucho fue que me disfruta, quieres más que yo. La vida está para amor.
Shadow stretching on the floor while the sun gets low. I got a feeling that the glow deep inside my core needs to breathe to flow.
Good morning, guys, and happy New Year 2022. We're still at the Virgin Hotel here in Las Vegas. Last night we had dinner reservations at Kassi Beach Restaurant. It was super delicious and amazing experience, so highly recommended. After that, we went to the Omnia Nightclub on the Strip, and we ended the year with Steve Aoki. That was also super cool. Today we're just gonna check out the hotel, and then after that we're gonna head down to Las Vegas Strip.
We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and say we get this far.
Y yo me veo por acá.
Well, that's
It's
good.
kind
At
of
least
cool.
you can see yourself.
Yeah, to kind of see what. Hey guys.
We deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate.